Welcome to the full course online. In this video we will learn how to save PowerPoint presentation. It's very important to save your work in PowerPoint so you don't lose your progress. To save a presentation for the first time. 1. Click the File tab. 2. Choose Save As. 3. Select the location, your computer, OneDrive, or an external drive. 4. Enter a file name. There are many extensions, but PowerPoint files are usually saved with the extension .pptx. 5. Click Save. And now you can see the name of the presentation on the title bar. If the presentation is already saved and you just want to save the changes, then you can simply click the Save icon on the top left or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save changes. To close the presentation, press the cross button at the top right corner, or go to File and click Close. To open an existing presentation, go to the File tab. Open. Then choose your file from your computer or OneDrive. Or it might be there at Recent Documents list. That's how you save and reopen your presentations. Next, let's learn how to manage slides inside your presentation.